Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called I Don't Want to Eat Bugs by Rachel Branton, illustrated by Tim Preston Peterson. Libsyn was hungry. Her tummy was making all kinds of hungry noises. She needed to find something to eat. The kitchen smelled yummy. Dinner was almost finished, Mom said. Why don't you go outside to play? I'll call you when it's ready. Okay, Libsyn said. Libsyn went outside. Delicious dinner smells come from all her neighbors' houses. Her tummy wanted to eat now. You don't have to wait, chirped a bird sitting on a tree branch. I have yummy food right here. Libsyn peered up into the tree, and the bird gave her a nice fat bug. The shiny black bug had many legs and that wiggled and tickled their hand. She stared at the bug, and the bug stared at her. The legs wiggled faster. Libsyn wrinkled her nose, and she didn't want to eat that poor bug. She opened her fingers, and the bug dropped to the ground and ran away. No! I'm still hungry then, said the bird. I'll catch another bug. Stay hungry then, said the bird. I'll catch another bug for me. And she flew away. Libsyn's cat, Cupcake, rubbed against her leg. Bugs are for the birds, she said. I have something much better. Cupcake stalked up the bush next to the tree and dived inside. Seconds later, the cat came out with a big mouse in her paw. She held it out to Libsyn. This is my dinner, but you can have the first yummy bite. Libsyn grabbed the mouse's tail and lifted it high into the air. The mouse stared at her with eyes as round as gumdrops. He had a pointy nose and a tiny whiskers. His paws waved frantically in the air. Go on, said Cupcake. I'm hungry too, you know. The mouse squeaked and wiggled. He was kind of cute. Libsyn's stomach growled with hunger, but the mouse didn't look like dinner. She put the mouse on the ground, and he ran away. Well, thanks a lot, said Cupcake. You just lost my dinner. Don't mind her, said Rocky, the dog next door. A mouse tastes good, but it's barely a mouthful. What we need is a hedgehog. Come with me. What is a hedgehog? Libsyn wondered. She followed Rocky to the empty field across the street. They ran up a hill and down the other side. They ran around some bushes and peered under the bushes. There was no hedgehog in sight. Rocky finally sat down, panting. Who needs a hedgehog anyway? He said. I have food in a bowl at home. It's very tasty. Come with me. You'll love it. Okay. Libsyn scratched Rocky's neck until he was rested. Then they went to his house. Near Rocky's doghouse in the backyard sat a bowl of round brown nuggets. Rocky gave them a big sniff. Yum! You first. Go ahead, take one. Libsyn picked up a piece of dog food. It felt hard. She sniffed it like Rocky had done. Ew, that smells yucky. She threw the piece of dog food before the nugget hit the ground. Rocky snatched it out of the air and gulped it down. What do you mean? He said. It's great. And began to eat the rest of the food. Libsyn left Rocky and started for home. On the sidewalk, she saw her friend, Jordan, eating an ice cream cone. That looks yummy, Libsyn said. Jordan took a big lick. It is. You should ask your mom for one. I will. With a smile, Libsyn hurried home. Ice cream sounded perfect for her hungry tummy. Mommy, she said, running into the kitchen. Can I have an ice cream? I'm so hungry. Good idea, said Mom. You can have some after dinner. It's all ready. So Libsyn ate chicken and rice and salad. Then her mother gave her a big ice cream cone with chocolate on the top. It looked so yummy. Libsyn sat on her porch and ate her ice cream. I don't want to eat bugs, she said between licks, or a mouse, or a hedgehog, or whatever that is, or dog food. I love chicken, rice, and salad, and especially ice cream. Yum. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!